Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step guide on how to apply quad eyeshadow. Now they can come in mattes or shimmers and include at least one lighter shadow, two medium shadows, one is slightly darker than the other one, and then again one darker shadow. And once you're getting the hang of it on how you can use and apply the quad eyeshadow, then it's so simple to come up with a beautiful eye makeup look. And I'm pretty sure that everyone has at least one quad eyeshadow palette at home, but you haven't touched it in a long time. So now it's time to start playing around and also have a bit of fun. Which also directly brings me to the tools that you will need. First, you need to have a quad eyeshadow, of course. And I'm going to use the one by Bourjois, which is Smoky Stories. Then when it comes to the brushes, you need to have one blending brush, which can also be a square one or a rounded one, as long as it diffuses the color. Then a crease brush to apply it through the crease. And then again a denser brush for the outer corner. This can be a round or any square shape as well. And lastly, to finish off the eye makeup look, a bit of mascara. And this also brings me directly to step number 1, which is applying the lightest shadow. For this step you can use a blending brush or your fingers for application. Start applying the lightest shadow all over the eyelid area, starting from the lash line and extending it to the brows. Step number 2, apply the medium dark shadow. Now it's time for the crease, and I also would suggest that you're using a crease brush for application. Apply the medium shadow gently through the crease to add some depth and create a guideline for further shadows. Step number 3, apply the dark shadow. You can use a dense eyeshadow brush for best results. And you can add the darker shadow to the outer corners to create depth and blend it into the crease shadow. Step number 4, add the medium light shadow. And for application you can use your fingers, as this is also the easiest. And now you can add the lighter medium shadow, or the glittery shadow in this case, on the main lid area and blend it into the crease and outer corner shadow. Step number 5, add mascara. Now finish off the look with a few coats of mascara. And this will help your eyes pop out more. Now this is already the finished look, and I hope that you now know how you can apply the quad eyeshadow, as you can come up with such a beautiful eye makeup look. And I do hope that you enjoyed it and also can follow the steps. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!